A little update. Right, the rear brake caliper. I didn't want to use the camera at the time. Sorry, I should pull my sleeves up. I didn't want to use the camera at the time because the stuff that comes out at the end of this, I didn't want it, the dust and all that all over the camera. But this is a little sandblasting kit that I've had for a while. You just dunk the other end of the hose into a bucket of whichever. I've got two buckets. One is basically salt. A little soaps, bicarbonate soda, but it tastes salty to me, so salty, or aluminium oxide. Now the aluminium oxide managed to get the majority of the crap off, and you look in there, there's no dust seals. That is your problem. That's why that was sticking. There weren't even any dust seals in there. So I've ordered the kit, well, I'm going to go and order the kit, which will replace the inner seals. The pistons I've taken out, they're actually, someone has replaced the pistons, they're brand new. So I'm just going to get a new a new seal kit for that, and then we're going to paint it up, and that'll be like a brand new caliper essentially. Well, it will look new. The pins, they were all rotten, so I just gave them a blaster in the soda, just the salty stuff, and that's what brought that up. So yeah, so that's the rebuild kit ready to be put back together once it's been painted or powder coated. I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet. Trying to get hold of a mate of mine who does powder coating, like in a little small hobby thing in his back garden. He needs a garage rather. So yeah, so we'll see what happens there. Front wheel now ordered, so we're going to have to wait for the front wheel to turn up to replace the buckled one. I'm now going to take that caliper off and do the same treatment to that one as well. Give it a sandblast down. Sorry I won't put that on video because I don't want the camera anywhere near the grip because I know how bad it is. We've popped the back wheel back on for now without the caliper, but just to make sure everything was true and rolling around, and that's all hunky-dory again. No more movement in it. Oh, there is actually movement in it. We need to... Ah, well there you go, there's the next problem now that I've just located. I don't know if you can see that. The swinging arm's moving. So all the play in the back end is in the swinging arm bushes. So that's the next thing we're going to be doing, is whipping the swing arm off and replacing, I believe they've got little needle bearings in them. So obviously the needle bearing on, I think it's the nearest side to me, looks like the one that's moving. So I don't know how, it's not moving a lot, but clearly it shouldn't be moving at all. So you definitely ain't riding it until that's done.